Hey everyone, welcome back to Wowanand. Today, we are diving into two super powerful tools inside Filmora 14 that will instantly level up your editing game. First one is Corner Pin, and second one is Compound Clip. If you've ever wanted to make your videos look more dynamic or keep your timeline organized, this tutorial is for you. Let's jump right in. Firstly, import files for your project. Here, this clip is generated through AI, and I will use this clip in our project. We will see how to use Corner Pin firstly. This tool can help you to achieve perfectly match your video or image to any perspective. Import and select clip. Drag your clip or image onto the timeline. It's super handy. You can use your video onto a laptop screen, billboard, or anything with an angle. Go to Effects Session. Then, search for Corner Pin. Now, drag and drop it onto your clip. From here, we will adjust perspective. Now, double-click your clip, head to the Effect tab, and you'll see adjustable corner points. You can drag each corner to fit your background. Now it's ready. And just like that, you've got a super realistic perspective match, perfect for creative edits or mockups. Next, we will look at Compound Clip, which is a massive time saver if you're working with multiple layers. Just select all clip and then right-click, and then click on Compound Clip. Like this, you can rename your file. Now I will show you in details why it's useful to us. Here, I am taking a green screen for project. Next, we will take a sample video here. And adjust it normally or by the help of Corner Pin. Now, I am removing green screen by using chroma effect. So it's look like this. Now, create Compound Clip. Here, I will add background like this. Now, you are free to move this clip anywhere. It will move very easily. This keeps your project organized and saves it tons of time when you need to shift things around. Now, we will see wrapping text effect. Just wait and watch. And that's it. You just learned how to use Corner Pin to match any perspective and Compound Clip to keep your edits clean and organized in Filmora 14. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial from Wowanand. Comment below which feature you're going to try first. I'd love to know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.